Well, hello everybody, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to talk about an awesome opportunity with virtual reality. We have kits that you can check out, and what I want to go through in this session are the contents that are going to be included with those kits. First, you're going to notice that there are goggles included, and there should be about 5 goggles in each kit, and when you look at them from the front, it will fold open. This is where the cell phone will slide in, and we'll show you that in another session. From the back view, you're going to notice that there are some adjustment knobs on the top. And what you can do is adjust the width of these lenses so that they fit you a little bit better. There's also cushioning around them to help it fit better as well. The strap on the top is what goes around your head to hold them in place so your arms are free. When you open the box, what you're going to see is a router, and this is essential to making the whole program work. In the box is also going to be a blue Ethernet cord, which you're actually not going to use unless there's a special circumstance, but we'll get to that a little bit later. And then you've got the power adapter that you will plug in to give the router power. First, starting with the router, you're going to notice that there are buttons on the front and that there are antenna on the back. What you want to do is put those in the upright position so it works properly. The next thing you're going to want to do is take the power and plug it in, just like so. When you do that, it's pretty much ready to go. All you have to do is plug this into a normal outlet and it'll be ready to roll. Now the blue Ethernet adapter, we really don't need this. It would have to be a special circumstance with the internet, so really just leave that in the box unless for some reason you're having difficulties, and this is one of the ways we can get around it. If you do need it, it plugs into the back like that, and this end would plug into the wall. So this is what it looks like ready to go. The lights on the front will be on, and it will begin to be able to communicate with the cell phone and an iPad if you're using the Expeditions app that will be explained in another session. Also will come in the kit cell phones. Now the cell phone's home page should all look very similar to this, pretty basic, just some virtual reality apps in the settings. And you'll notice though that they might not be Samsung phones. The brand of the phone doesn't matter. What matters is the apps that we have on here. So hopefully you'll take the opportunity to do some awesome virtual reality field trips with your students and use this powerful tool in your classroom. Please let me know if you have any questions.